This place can show what you're really made of. My story started here. Story of Most Wanted.
Hello everyone watching, welcome back again to Infinite Solution. So in this video I'm going to take you through on how to download and install Need for Speed Most Wanted on your laptop or desktop. Before going through the steps, I first want to appreciate all of you that are watching this video, and for all those that have been with us for some good years. I'm sorry that we have not been uploading videos, so I hope these steps will help you. And let's go into the video. So we shall go straight to the browser, and then we shall type Xbox Games. So from here we shall click on the first site, and which is this. And so from this very site we shall first need to log in. So that means you need to register with Microsoft. You log into your account Microsoft. So once you have done this, so after logging in straight, so let us go straight here. And so what we shall need is we need for Speed, and so let us just go straight and click from here and type Need for Speed. And so from here we shall have different Need for Speed, so we can go with this, and then you can download, and then you purchase this and install on your PC. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope this video will help.